If you can't beat it, join it.
To figure out how we might join our brains with machines, Kevin's lab is conducting an unusual experiment. Taking live brain cells from a rat and embedding electrodes in them.
And when we've got about 100,000 of these neurons linking, communicating together, we're connecting it up to a robot body.
That's right. Kevin Warwick is using the living brain tissue of a rat to drive a robot.
That brain is the sole controller for the robot body. You don't have a computer in there that's doing some little things and changing the signals.
Sensors on the robot can detect the walls, and through a wireless connection, it sends that information to the sliver of rat brain. The brain then actually tells it to turn left or right to avoid the wall.
And the output from the brain, which we can pick up as electrical signals on different electrodes, drives the wheels of the robot.
To let the rat brain know when it's successful, Kevin stimulates it with a little extra voltage as a reward. Brain cells like being stimulated.
It's a bit like giving a child an ice cream, but you can't be sure the child's going to do exactly what you want it to do, and the same is true with the biological brain.
Kevin Warwick isn't just creating a brain-controlled robot for fun. He sees it as a necessary first step toward the eventual merger between man and machine.
I would be able to give myself all sorts of abilities that I don't have now. Extra memory, new means of communicating, getting different sensory input instead of being limited to the 5 human senses. Your television set can sense the world in infrared. You can't. Surely you must feel a bit jealous of that. I certainly do. I want an infrared sense. Why not?
His goal is nothing less than to be the one who ushers in a new age of fully cyborg humans.
That new cyborg with a part biological and part machine brain is what will go ahead and dominate the world in the future. So the future I see very rosy if you're a cyborg, or if you're an artificial intelligent machine. If you're a human, well, your time's up.
We won't need to fear our intelligent machine future, because as cyborgs, we will merge with the machines. And when we do, it will usher in a new era. An era of discovery, problem solving, and creativity. And one that redefines what it means to be human.
There's a technology avalanche on the horizon, and the landscape will never be the same.